Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Jump right into it. I know you guys wondering what's going on with the overall market, AMC, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. As we told you guys, everyone on VIP should be good. You should be chilling. You made your money prior to the report being reported about AMC's earnings or whatnot, guys. Mine all over the place. Got so much I'm trying to get out. But we already made money prior to that, guys. Over 2,000 on AMC yesterday. As soon as we got out, we know earnings could go either way. That's why I try to tell you guys, regardless of what I mean by either way is I got from my knowledge, my research, my experience, I could pretty much give the best of my opinion of what way I expect it to go, right? But even that's the beautiful thing about earnings. Even when things fall exactly how you expect it to go, which I expect AMC to beat expectations, they beat expectations by 33%. They also got to deal with Walmart. All this good news, right? Look what happened to the stock price though. Pay attention. Pay attention. You won't get this free game forever, guys. Pay attention. Pay attention. We see exactly what happened to the stock price after seeing all this great news being disclosed for AMC. If we would have got bad news, the same thing could have happened. Bad news definitely could see the price come down. Good news could see the price come down. Same thing could happen for the opposite. We could have had bad news and the price shot up. You could have had, you get what I'm saying? So it could go either way, regardless of how the whole scripture of it plays out. You could already be expecting for this to happen. And then once your expectations go through, yeah, beat expectation how you expected. Now you're expecting it to go up. You don't necessarily have to do that. That's the beautiful thing about the stock market, guys. It's the psychology all over the place, different people's opinion, different people's perspectives, coming up with your own unique self and playing it to the best of your ability, keeping losses small, maximizing gains. Free game. Let's go ahead and continue. S&P 500 falls slightly to start a new month of trading as yields extend their climb. The S&P 500 moved lower on Wednesday, the first day of March, as traders tried to recover their footing following a losing month. Bond yields continue their climb. So the broader market index fell 0.1%, while the Nasdaq lost 0.2%. The Dow Jones fell 0.1%. So if we go ahead and take a look at it, guys, we know investors will digest the manufacturing data released by the Institute of Supply Management on Wednesday, with the PMI clocking in at a reading of 47.7 in February, marking a slight jump from the 47.4 in January, and just below economists' expectations of 47.8, according to FactSet. So if we go ahead and take a further look, guys, let's go ahead and get into price action. Like I say, I just look at the quarter news, guys. I don't too much care about what's going on with all that mess, the investors day, all that. I'm pretty sure people know fine print, exactly what Elon gonna say, exactly what this. Hayes don't care about none of that. And you see, we made bread. We making our money. I don't care about what's going on, right? Just the outside core. Like I said on live, though, the ones that get it. What I mean by that exactly. Of course, news is going to have a dictation on the overall market in some sort way of fashion, and that's just going to be one of the components of many other components that goes into play with what a price or a stock is going to do with the volume and everything else that's going into play, right? But anyways, let's go ahead and get through. As we can see, guys, everybody's waiting on Elon Musk Tesla Investor Day. Before we get into AMC, let's show you how your boy make money. Let's show you how your boy don't really care what's going on in the news. Let's show you how your boy use the news as an advantage. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. One day ago, I alerted this in VIP. Tesla puts I bought. Told him to strike. Told him the expiration date easily. Got it in the same recipe that I got in, right? 208 with confidence. On live last night, very much confident that the play was going to tank. Someone had commented and said, "Oh, Investor Day is coming up. B Hayes, be careful." I said, "Oh, I forgot all about that. I wasn't really. I was aware, but wasn't not really paying attention to the news." I'm like, "Well, hell, that's exactly what I needed. That's what I've been waiting on. Then, yeah, I need to come. Hurry up, Investors Day, because then I'm gonna make my money." And look what happened. Boom, sold for $1,500 profit, and I was up $2,000, but I gave back 500. After that 500 fell down, I said, "Oh, let me get the hell up out of there." And even though I expected to drop more, that's just me. That's my style. That's my lingo. That's the way I move. Lock in those gains. Just once the gains gone, you can't say, "Oh, computer, give me my gains back so I can lock them in this time." Your ass got to lock them in right then and there, and then think about getting in or rerouting and reconstructing yourself. That's the way I look at it. You can't say, "Oh, give me my gains back." They gone, buddy. So as you can see, as I got out, a lot of other people got out as well. Custom X, he got in before I alerted Tesla and was like, dang, I should have waited on your call. But I ended up alerting the next day, ended up playing out in my favor of what I seen. I seen something that I needed, everything lined up for me. I alerted it, and he still ended up making money after getting in wrong. But I'm pretty sure it gave him some comfortability knowing that I alerted the next day. Like, dang, even though I got in a little too early, he just alerted it, so I'm still in good standing. He ended up making $500 profit. Another person made $551 profit. Another person made $500 profit. Another person made $740 profit. Another person made $200 profit. All this right here ain't just calling out stuff. But anyways, as you can see, guys, things is heating up. VIP been crazy all week long. We only had one bad play in VIP. That was AMC. And we actually made money and made $2,000 on AMC. But I'm saying for the second time when I called it out, and the second time, it really ain't no bad play because, like I said, I made 2 bands, but I only put a few $100s back into AMC, not caring what happens. You know what I'm saying? I'm having to run the risk of the potential of making a few thousand off that few hundred, or lose the few hundred and I already made 2,000. So really, I don't know if VIP count that as a loss or a win, however. But yeah, it could be a loss. It's a loss. I mean, it ain't really no lose yet. The week still got to play out. That's the beautiful thing about this as well. So we won't know if that's a loss into a win because I ain't sell yet. I could be down 50, 60%, 100% in a small position like that. See, when I go my normal size, I'm cutting losses at 45, 50% free game. 45, 50% because I'm aiming for 100, 200, 300% sometimes, right? So I could lose 45, 50% twice. That third time, it's going to make up for everything. But anyways, I lose my train of thought, right? And carry on, get on some more thoughts that I got to get out because I lose my train of thought. But anyways, as you see, AMC is at 648, guys. Like I say, a big reason for it doing that, running up, pulling back like that, because it was already pricing in expectations before the expectations came. So everybody that got ahead of the wave, made their money, got out. And now, it of course going to pull back and be scary and stagnant for a while because there's so many people that just wait for things to happen until they get in and try to make money. They don't do it prior. They wait till after it happened. The market is so smart. The psychological points of the market, of course, is going to go into play and not let it just run up so easily when you got people that just put $250,000, $1 million in with no type of education, no type of structure, just to try, like a casino. So that's a major factor. It sounds crazy, but that's a major factor on why the stock act like this and why it does that, because a lot of people are bandwaggers, and it got to shake the tree. It can't. If the market was made to be easy, guess what? Everybody would be doing it. So that's why you got to stay on your shit. You got to be meticulous. You got to be smart. You got to move different. Anyways, it's down to that key level that we was talking about live at 650. We should see a bounce from here. We should see a nice little bounce from here. 648, 650-ish. We definitely should see a bounce from here. If we don't, it's about to bleed down some more, be stagnant, get some people minds all over the place. Like, damn, what the hell happened? It was just pumped up it. And then after a couple of days, maybe a week, just like last time I reported good earnings last year, and it shot up the week later. Pay attention to the details. Pay attention to your history. Pay attention to the past. Exactly what could happen this time. Give it a couple days. Give it 5 days. Give it a week. And it'll blast up out of nowhere. Not saying it's going to go to the roof, Moasis, all that bullshit. I'm just saying it's going to shoot up. And for the people that's in option, the people that's in VIP like myself, we gonna make thousands of dollars when it comes around again. Just like we made $10,000 a few weeks ago off AMC in an hour when it went from 5 to 8. Just like we made $2,000 on AMC yesterday when it went from 6 to 8 or whatever it went to. You get what I'm saying? And just like the next time around, as everybody get worried out, it get some people off their purpose, get some people off the map, slide them all off. It's going to shoot up again from 6 to 8 or 9. And guess what? B-Hayes going to be all over it. I'm going to be there again. I'm not going to miss it. Never going to miss it. Because I'm here every day. I show up. Whether I make money or lose a little bit of money, I'm showing up for the market every single day, whether I trade or not. I'm here. I'm paying attention. So you already know what to do. Edge Boy on Instagram at the B-Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out. God bless y'all. We